Good morning, you're watching Ride Comparisons, and today we're at Pleasurewood Hills. The last time I was at this theme park was about 10 years ago, so we're coming down today because my family are on holiday, and I thought I'd pop down and we'll sort of see how the park's changed because it's been a while. So Pleasurewood Hills is in Lowestoft, next to Great Yarmouth. So here we go guys, Pleasurewood Hills, Norfolk. I'm making them cringe. And we're probably going to start with a go on Wipeout. So here's Wipeout guys, a Vekoma boomerang. It's the last one of its kind in the UK. What do you think, Jacob? Do you think it's going to be painful?
Yeah.
What, because it's Vekoma?
Yeah, it's an old one.
It's an old one. I say it's been about 10 years since I've been here, so we're going to see how it's aged. And let's go take a ride on Wipeout. So we've just been on Wipeout. Theming's not too bad, you've got some funky ocean music. And for such an old Vekoma, that's actually quite smooth. But as I say, it's been 10 years since I last came here, and I've grown a bit, so the restraints are very uncomfortable. So that's Wipeout guys, it's probably the best ride in the park. I'm going to go have a look around, see what else is new. I'm pretty sure it's the best in the park. Pleasurewood Hills doesn't have too much as a theme park, but it's only £20 entry, which is very good. So it's, you know, it's not too bad. We'll have a look and we'll see what kind of day we have. If it's only a half-day park, then I'll try and get down to the pleasure beach. What do you think, Jacob?
What's that detonator? Oh, it's up quite fast. My god, this is huge. Oh man. What? Oh no. Oh no. Just drop already. Oh my god! Whoa! Whoa! Oh, that's just a fall. Wow, that was good.
So we've just been on Jolly Roger. What do you reckon guys, better than Detonator?
Not sure, I think it's the same.
Nah, that's better, that's definitely better. It forces you down a bit faster, but there's no no sort of audio at the top like Detonator.
I like
yeah, that was good. That's Jolly Roger.
No, how does it go? That looks very close. I'm lost. I'm lost in there.
that's Cannonball Express. What did you think of that, Jacob?
Very sharp.
Very sharp, yeah?
Yeah.
So fact about Cannonball Express, it's the only Schwarzkopf jumbo roller coaster to ever be made. So it's actually one of a kind. So if you fancy riding that, come up here to Pleasurewood Hills. I think we'll go give the log flume a go now. I don't actually know what it's called.
I don't agree for that.
I don't know how I should go on my fucking off
Oh God! Oh no! Oh! 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 That's just got me wetter than tidal wave.
What?
Oh no! What have we done? I don't know. Ow! Oh! Oh no, have we broken it? Oh no. Oh no, oh no. Oh my God! No! No! So we've just been on Water Fun Factory. What was that like, Jacob?
Oh, I'm soaked.
So yeah, it's nearly as bad as tidal wave. I wasn't expecting it. I'm absolutely drenched. Everything's soaked now. So yeah, that's Water Fun Factory, guys. That is very wet. So it's a sunny day at Pleasurewood Hills, guys. I'm absolutely soaked because we've just been on the Water Fun Factory. Everyone else is going on Marble Madness at the moment, so we'll see their thoughts on that when they come off. And I'll try and get myself on there in a little while. So there seems to be a bit more at the park since the last time that I came. There's a few of the old ones. I'm pretty sure the log flume was here before. It might have had a refurb since then. Wipeout was obviously here, still a good ride. I say we've just been on the Cannonball Express as well, which is very good. But so far Wipeout's topping the list. So yeah, this is Marble Madness. Doesn't look like they enjoyed it very much. How was it?
Horrible.
Well, what's wrong with it?
It's worse than rattlesnake.
Worse than rattlesnake.
No.
The brakes are so sharp on there.
Root and Toot and Target Trail. Don't drink some moonshine. Scary. So that's Root and Toot and Target Trail, guys. There wasn't actually a scoreboard on the carts like all of the other shooters, and we couldn't find our score at the end. So all that effort, that was a bit pointless. No scores, eh, Jacob? No. So I don't know. I wouldn't recommend that one. Here's Sky enjoying the carousel, our nervous rider. Give a wave. Woo! And Jacob hiding because he doesn't want to go on it. There's not enough adrenaline for him. Something new is coming to Pleasurewood Hills. Looks like just a restaurant though. So we just saw Kite Flyer over here, so I thought we'd have a go on it. The carriages look a little bit like Hero though, so it's not a good sign, but we'll give it a go. We'll give it a go. Same manufacturer as Hero at Flamingo Land. That was terrible.
Don't go on it.
Express. Excellent coaster.
Please stop with just so
Was that a cracking coaster?
Wait, stop!
Was it excellent?
Stop!
Stop with the jokes!
Yokes!
No!
In all seriousness, it's okay. It's not amazing. More for the kids. That's the Express.
Excellent.
So I'm on the ski lift with my cousin Saffron.
Hi.
She likes it when I shake the ride.
Stop!
Get a nice view of Wipeout up here. There's Jacob on Wipeout.
Bubbles! Bubbles! Bubbles!
Oh look, there's the bear there.
Scary.
Ooh.
Swinging it.
Woo. Oh, there you go, they're going in reverse now. So that concludes our day at Pleasurewood Hills. What did you think of it, Jacob?
It's alright.
It's alright, yeah? Anything stand out? Anything special?
Wipeout.
Wipeout, yeah?
Last of its kind in the UK.
Yeah, last of its kind in the UK, Wipeout. It's a very good ride. It's definitely the best in the park. But as I say, it's a half price theme park, £20 to get in. You know, when you compare it to Alton Towers and Fort Park and all of that, they're a lot more expensive. But it is quite a small theme park. It's probably about half a day's worth of stuff. You probably could make a full day out of it, but we're going to try and get down to the Pleasure Beach because I haven't been down there for about 7 years. So yeah, this is Pleasurewood Hills, guys. If you did enjoy this video, please subscribe and I'll see you next time. We've got our Euro trip coming up next week. We're going to be doing Europa Park for 2 days, Phantasialand for 2 days. We're going to Walibi in Belgium, and we're going to go into Plopsaland for Dark Knight riding on Ride to Happiness, which we can't wait for. So see you next time, guys. She's hiding. The nervous riders can still have fun, guys, at Pleasurewood Hills.
Yeah.